everyone, it's my pal. Where does the name Llanelian-yn-rhos come from? So Llanelian-yn-rhos is a small village just south of Old Colwyn in Conwy County. Now, I've got a handy guide to help us explain it. So we have 4 parts: Llan, which is an area of land attached to a church; Elian, which is the name of a saint, we'll get to him later; Un, which is in; and Rhos, which usually means a moor, but in this case it means the cantref of Rhos. Cantref is a bit like a county in medieval Wales, but we don't really use them as much anymore. But the name of this cantref was Rhos. So who was Saint Elian? Well, Saint Elian, or Saint Aelian as he's also known, was a very, very early saint who came to Wales, tradition has it, from Rome. And he came up from Rome and he brought his cattle with him. And as he passed through, he set up a church here. Not this church exactly, but this church was built on top of the old church. And he also ended up settling in Llanelian in Ynys-Môn in Anglesey. Now, he not only gave his name to Llanelian-yn-rhos, but he also gave his name to Bryn Elian, which is the name of the hill that I'm on, and also the name of the local school which I used to go to. Anyway, diolch, subscribe for more. Now, if you get a chance and you're in Llanelian, pop into the White Lion, the pub just behind me. The guy who owns it is a legend. He pours a good pint, and also sometimes he plays the trombone if it's your birthday, so pop in. I don't usually do business shout outs, but if you've got a business in Wales and you want to access a community of people who are interested in the place that they live in, get in contact, we can sort out a package. Diolch.